Ever struggled with losing moisture or flavor while cooking on your cast iron skillet or grill pan? The Lodge 10 5-inch square, tempered glass lid promises to change that. Designed specifically for the Lodge 10 5-inch square, cast iron skillet and grill pan, this lid lets you keep an eye on your food without lifting it, so you lock in every bit of steam and flavor. I wasn't sure how much a lid could improve my cooking until I tried this one. The tempered glass is sturdy and built to last, handling oven temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit without any worries about cracking or shattering. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is a breeze after a busy night in the kitchen. The ergonomic handle makes moving it around simple, whether you're on the stove, in the oven, or grilling outside. What really stood out was how much more versatile my cast iron grill pan became. Before, I'd avoid recipes that needed a cover, but with this lid, I can confidently cook dishes that require moisture retention. Think juicy salmon or a vibrant jambalaya. The lid's lightweight design means I can peek anytime without sacrificing the flavors I'm building. And knowing this product comes from Lodge, a family-owned company rooted in American traditions since 1896, adds a layer of trust and pride to every meal. If you're looking to get more from your Lodge 10 5-inch square, cast iron skillet or grill pan, this tempered glass lid is worth a look. It's not just about covering your food, it's about enhancing your cooking with convenience and precision. Try it when you're ready to elevate your kitchen game and keep those flavors locked in like a pro.